Alright guys, I'm going to do another unboxing, but this is not really an unboxing because this is how it comes. And so what you have here is this cool thing, and I like that you can sort of turn this to make it safe when it's not being used. This is a very smart design from GE. A lot of these don't have that feature. And what do you get in the box? You get this instruction manual, and you get this thing the way it is. All you got to do is just remove this to open it, and I don't like that they tighten it so much because it's kind of scarred the rubber tubing here. And as far as this goes, just rip it off. And yeah, there we go. Hopefully it'll run. It's got 2 USB ports and 4 of your regular sockets. And wow, I didn't know they had this. So that's a good thing. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next one.